morning, everyone. Welcome to Chef and Kids. Chef and Stuff.
Chef and Stuff.
Chef and Stuff पुराना हो गया. Chef and Stuff.
No. There is Chef and Stuff. Not gonna tell her name because she's secret. There will be one day, I think, where she will come.
And do a feast.
So what are you doing? What are you doing today?
We are going to do something.
Surprise. Okay, let's show you. Come here. We are making sausages. Hot dogs.
Okay.
This is the grill. This
Are
is.
you gonna be grilling it?
Yes. This is the cheese. Is this cheddar or mozzarella?
Yeah, I guess it's cheddar.
These are mix. Mozzarella and cheddar.
Wait, एक minute.
Wait. So this, I don't really know how to do it. This. These are heavy buns. My father knows how to do this.
आज जो है ये बच्चे कुछ बनाना चाह रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या बनाते हैं. देखिए अब क्या बना के देते हैं आपको.
Okay. So probably let's just get started. हम क्या करेंगे कि हम इसको.
So the thing is, we are not cutting because first of all, I'm scared of knives.
Okay, good.
And I'm too good with knives.
Here we go. So हम क्या करेंगे कि हम इसको कट करेंगे. ठीक है, हमने साइड पे चॉपस्टिक्स इसलिए रखी हैं ताकि हम इसको ऑल द वे एंड तक कट नहीं करने. हमने इसके पीसेस नहीं करने हैं, हमने इसको जस्ट कट करना है. सो ये चॉपस्टिक्स जो है वो हमारी हेल्प कर रही हैं कि हम इसको हिले नहीं. ओके, ये डायगोनल का एक इस साइड के कट हो गए. अब हम दूसरी साइड के कट करेंगे.
So will you? Okay, you just saw that is cheese.
मुझे तो लगता है कि चैनल आप लोग ही चला लो.
And
ये नाम हो गया Chef and Kids.
Here we go.
will you tell the
Okay.
will you tell the
और ये
fans?
हमने थोड़े से यहाँ पे कट कर दिए. So let me just cut rest of them और फिर मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Kids फिर आप
ये आप
लोगों ने इसको
उनको
prepare
दिखाओ
करना.
कैसे वो कट्स कैसे लगाए हैं.
हाँ जी. So if you open them, here we go. If you open them, आप देखोगे कि cuts diagonal लगे हुए हैं.
So
And they're deep, लेकिन they're not all the way.
So what?
इससे ये होगा. So what we're gonna do is कि जो अंदर का जो आपका ऑयल है, ठीक है, वो इसको हेल्प करेगा अंदर से कुक करने में.
तो ये बाकी कट्स लगा के फिर आप दोबारा हम वापस आते हैं.
ठीक. So इसको हमने क्रिस क्रॉस कट कर लिए हैं, राइट. एंड ये बड़े प्यारे एक किस्म के डायमंड शेप्स बन गए हैं. So it's gonna be like, I hope it's gonna be good by cooking.
It will be.
We'll get kids to start cooking.
Okay.
Okay, hello, welcome back. Now it is time for Chef and Kids to shine.
Come on.
I'm not good.
Okay, we are becoming Chinese kind of because.
Ahmed तोड़ने लगा है.
Oh.
Okay,
That is good. It is burning up.
It's sizzling, right?
It is burning up.
Okay.
And I love that.
चलो इसको हम फिर बाद में भी रखते हैं. बाकी भी इसी तरह से रखें.
Alright. This is just too much. I'm not good with these chopsticks. Oh,
Good.
this was a nice drop.
That was a nice drop in it.
It was.
Okay.
And where is it?
Take another one.
And then that will. I don't know why.
New one is coming. Okay, so let me help to smooth through that.
See, he does chopsticks so. Oh, and we are so.
Okay, now this is the cutting part, right? Cutting part is up. Good guys. Okay, now is Arif time.
Arif Ali is here. So this is one. Oh, actually, these are hard to pick up.
आपको लग रहा था मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
अरे उठाने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
Okay, so 1, 2.
Good. And here we go the third one.
Wait, let me try to pick this up.
Yay! Gimme. I'll fix them up a little bit.
No, I did it nicely.
You did.
It's just
So now it's time for the cooking spray.
Well, hang on, not yet, not just yet.
So we are using the Sun Lico cooking spray.
Sunlico.
Yeah.
Sunlico.
Yeah.
Okay, so let him cook a bit, then we'll come and ruffle it. इसको थोड़ा सा फिर हम होने देंगे, फिर आके इसको हम वापस आके इसको ruffle करेंगे. Okay, so अब हम इसको थोड़ा सा स्प्रे करेंगे.
This is
थोड़ा सा ऑयल स्प्रे किया और उसके बाद फिर हम इसको थोड़ा सा इवन कर देंगे. ये वाला अभी तक ठंडा था. Righto, so
Can I try? Wow.
okay, so meanwhile ये हो रहा है, हम ब्रेड को अटेंड करते हैं.
Yep.
Okay, अब हम ब्रेड को प्रिपेयर करते हैं. ठीक
So
है?
other kids, I'll just tell you, if you're doing it, please be safe, be warned.
Actually, this is a hazard.
Yeah.
Do not try this at home.
We are trained professionals.
Okay, great.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that looks good. And what next one?
Okay.
Next one. Let's just put it aside. So, why don't we put this aside?
Okay, done. Okay, so Arif, let's see how you do it.
Arif's turn.
ठीक है, great. So guys, याद रखना कि इसको एंड तक नहीं काटना, ठीक है? हमने नीचे से थोड़ा सा रहने देना है. So हम बाकी करके meanwhile हमारे जो hot dogs हैं वो
They're sizzling.
they're sizzling और हम इनको okay, great. So we keep moving them one step at a time.
So the trick is just move them one step at
Yes,
a
trick
time.
is just move them one step at a time ताकि उनको सारा हो इसको बनने का. We come back once it's done. थोड़ा सा ये पकते हैं and we'll go for the next step.
Okay, तो हमारे अब ये sausages बन गए हैं. अब Arif, let us put them in the burger.
Let's. So you can see, first
Oh
of all,
my god, they looks really good.
you
I
can.
know.
So you can also see the cheese inside. It's burning out, and let's just pick them up. So why don't you start first?
Thank you.
Okay, why don't you just get a plate or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, now we'll just put the
ये क्या
cheese.
चीज है?
This
Cheese slice.
is cheese. Yes.
Okay.
So these were cheese slices. We just cut them out.
ठीक है. और
Now for the grand finale,
okay, ठीक है. मैं
which will be hard to
to pick
grasp.
up. Hard to grasp. ठीक है, great. Alright, that looks good.
So now we have to put the
इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सी
sausage.
ये उसके ऊपर चैटर भी तो डाल दो. क्या ख्याल है?
Oh yeah.
A little bit, really.
Here.
You know, just a dressing.
I like cheese in my dressing.
Everyone does.
Everyone does.
तुम लोगों को मिलती नहीं है.
Exactly.
No,
अच्छा, थोड़ी और डाल
नहीं
दो.
ज्यादा नहीं खाते ना बेटा.
मजे की है.
we actually get cheese a lot, like a lot.
खा सकते हो ये.
Alright, so अब मुझे बताओ कि इसके ऊपर सॉसेस कौन-कौन सी डालेंगे?
Okay. Mustard. You cannot have a sausage without mustard.
Okay, Ahmed, go ahead.
Yes, I shall do the honors. Wait, let me.
और इसके अलावा और साथ मस्टर्ड के साथ को क्या डालोगे?
And then we'll put some
Mayonnaise.
mayo.
Mayo.
We bought it. This is the Heinz. You
ठीक है,
can.
चलो. Let's just start putting it, yeah?
Okay.
Some mustard.
Oh my god.
Is it coming out?
Wait, I.
Thank God. And
Okay.
then let's just put some ranch.
Okay, ranch sauce.
Thank you. I shall do
Ranch.
thy honors.
It just makes your bun a bit sweet.
Okay,
You can say.
and mayo.
Mayo.
They're looking really nice. Okay.
Yes, they are. We love mayo.
So Ahmed actually likes less sauces, you know. So
No,
But I do like spice.
no, Nando's.
Yes.
Okay, and Ahmed, this is really really spicy.
आपने बहुत कम डालना है
Okay.
क्योंकि बहुत जो है ना स्पाइसी है आपने बहुत थोड़ी थोड़ी डालनी है
Let's just
ये बहुत
wait for it
मजे
to
की
come
जो
out.
है वो है sauce
Oh, don't
है।
wait, just shake it a bit.
So this is not the normal
Just
hot
one drip.
sauce. This is
Okay, that's it. That's
Are
it.
you sure?
Yes, it is very spicy.
Okay.
And
Alright.
I shall not burn
and you
my
know
tongue.
what? This
Okay.
is not.
Now the next thing is we'll make another one, and Arif is gonna make it.
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so we're gonna give it to Ahmed.
So that is my brother's. Now we just
मैं ना
get a
बाकी भर
bun
के रखती हूँ
Okay.
and then we.
So Arif, pick one quick.
Okay. Okay. As you can see, this has a lot of what?
Flour.
No, not flour. Cheese. So this has a lot of cheese in it. Wait.
Okay.
I forgot
Alright.
something.
It's okay. You can put cheese on the side.
Yes. So we'll put cheese
Oh,
on.
cheese is in there. Here we go. Let your mom put it.
So we'll put some cheese on it
Just put it on the side.
and some more. To be honest, I love cheese. And then
You're gonna make a really really cheesy one
really
in
cheesy.
it. Okay, cool.
And then
Now it's the time for the sausage Go
so
ahead.
we'll put. I am not gonna put the hot sauce. That is not a normal hot sauce. To be honest, that is the extra hot sauce.
Okay, that's
And
right.
then we'll put some
Mustard.
mustard. Okay, we have the mustard, and then we'll put some hens. Okay, that's a bit too much mayo, but
You're gonna have to eat it then. Wow. Okay, hang on. Well, it looks really nice.
and then the next step is we're also gonna grill the buns.
Okay, so we're gonna make the rest of them in the burgers, and we'll come back to you in a minute. Go.
Okay,
We
so
are done.
Guys, marvelous. सबने अपने अपने फ्लेवर के जो हैं वो हॉट डॉग्स बनाए हैं, ठीक है सर, कुछ मस्टर्ड के साथ, कुछ मस्टर्ड मेयो, और ये एंड में मेरा है this one with a lot of mayonnaise
not mayonnaise and extra
and
hot sauce.
extra hot sauce from Nando's. Tit. By the way, ये sponsored नहीं है. So, guys, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so let me just take it down. Oh, they're really hot. Okay, the cheese is melting.
I don't think we have enough space.
आज तो मेरे बच्चों ने और मेरे हब्बी ने कमाल कर दिया माशाल्लाह
और ये देखिए
Thank you.
सारे हॉट डॉग्स रेडी हैं. And do you have fun? And शेफ एंड स्टफ क्लोजिंग करें.
हाँ जी शेफ एंड स्टाफ को बंद
Chef and
करते हैं
Staff
क्योंकि अब
boys.
इन्होंने खाना है तो आप सबको जो है वो आप देखें, इसको बनाएं, एंजॉय करें.
So
मेरे
why
चैनल
don't you
को
have-
लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं और अपना
And
बहुत ज्यादा ख्याल
have
रखें.
enjoyed making this. Hello guys. So it was delicious. We ate it.
This now is a close name. I shall meet you again sometime later.
And it was actually delicious. He is the
He's a Shakespeare for our house.
Shakespeare of our house. I am the smarty of
Smart guy, right?
yeah. I'm
Okay, guys, thank you very much. I love you guys. Bye bye.
बहुत ज्यादा ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.